Alex, and I'm here in my hallway again. I don't know why I always start the videos off in the hallway. I haven't done much of a, well, I feel like I haven't done much of a vlog as such at home. I've just been so ill and busy. I haven't done a lot at home. I've done a few bits of the P4 which I've been sharing with you guys. And I've obviously been out to the Allegro National Rally in the museum. But now I've got a couple of days off and I'm at home, so I'm just gonna do a few bits and pieces. I've been quite lazy today, to be honest. I mean, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I've done nothing. Lazy day. There are things I want to do today, although there is rain forecasted. Believe it or not, I need to wash Peggy. I know she doesn't look like she needs washing from here, but she does, because I've been to London, I've been to my training course for work, I've been to Hereford to a muddy barn, basically. So she does need a wash. I'm going to give her a wash, dry her off. It's quite windy, so that's good, that'll dry her off. And then I think what I'm going to do, excuse me, I'm still coughing. I'm going to move Lyndon's MG, Mr. Jenkins, and I'm actually thinking I'm going to move that Micra out that garage because it doesn't need to be in there. I'm going to move the Micra out and look at getting Peggy in there because I need to do a few things on the back brakes, and really she could do with an exhaust, and plus I don't use Peggy daily. Oh, hello, something else orange. How are you? He's got a bald patch on his head because he came home with some kind of sticky pine scented stuff in his head, in his fur, and I brushed it out, but nasty mummy, it pulled his hair out, so he's got a little bald patch. Sorry, mate. You're a good boy. Yeah, it's alright, I'm not going to pull your hair out. So, let's make the most of this before it rains. Oh, it's windy, isn't it? Look, his tyre's blowing in the wind over there. Does Peggy really need a wash? Yes, because loads of dead flies stuck to the front. Look at that one. Ugh. Loads of dead flies. And we've got horrible sort of sandy type dust like here. So you don't want to be rubbing that into the paintwork, so we'll wash that off. All along there is all muddy. Wheels look dirty. Dirt in the wheel arch, that needs to be washed out. So yes, she may not look dirty, but she is. Of course, it's now raining because it's Peggy. It always rains when Peggy's out. Always. Sort of jet washing off the major dirt underneath. Then I rinse off any dust off the tops. I don't normally wash Peggy because she lives in the garage, and I only take her out to shows, which are normally on a nice day, so she doesn't get that dirty. So I normally use something like this, This is a spray wax, but you can get them that are called instant detailer, waterless wash, but I prefer the ones that have got like a wax in. Maguire's is my favourite, Maguire's instant detailer, and I just spray that on and use a cloth like this. But so she's a bit too dirty to be doing that, because if you use that stuff when it's too dusty, sandy, dirty, you end up scratching the paintwork. I'm not a very glamorous car wash girl. No bikinis here. Yeah, so I've got car shampoo on a hot sponge, and start from the top and work your way down. I always do the wheels last. Boot would be full of water now. Oh, another bit of news. I found a new old stock bumper at the spares barn the other day. This one doesn't look bad, but it is. She's crying. The front wheels get dirtier because they're disc brakes, and disc brakes emit a lot of dust because the drum brakes, they hold the dust within inside the drum, it doesn't get all over the wheel. That's why you'll see some cars, new or old, and they'll have dirty front wheels but not back wheels. And it's because they've got drum brakes at the back and discs on the front. And so disc brakes, you get all the brake dust coming out on the wheel. Hey, that was good timing. Peggy's in the dry garage and it's just started to rain. The only problem is the Micra hasn't got a window in the passenger door. Thanks for watching. Bye.